Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up donations on Twitch. It's really simple and easy. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are on your Twitch channel and you are fully logged in. Then what you want to do is go to a new tab. I've got my new Google page here, and all we are going to do is simply go and search for something called Streamlabs. Now do keep watching as I'm showing you full guide within Streamlabs as well. Then make sure you come to streamlabs.com and wait for this to load. Then you want to do is come to the upper right where it says log in. So click here and then it's going to give you us a few different ways to log in. We've got Twitch, YouTube, Facebook and a few others down here. Because we are doing this Twitch, I'm just going to log in using my Twitch account. Click continue with Twitch. As we are already logged into Twitch, it's going to automatically detect this, but we can go and change account here if you like. You go to authorize Streamlabs through all of this stuff here, so I'm going to go and do so. I'm going to click authorize and then wait for this to load. Then as you can see, it's now taking us to our Streamlabs dashboard. So here it's going to go and show us any donations we've had, the revenue, the followers and our subscriptions. But to go and actually get the donation, all you want to do is come to the bottom left, scroll down a bit maybe, and come to account and then come to settings. Once you are in settings, as you can see here, it's going to show your tipping page where viewers can send you donations. So that's our page here, but the first thing we've got to do is go and connect payment method. So I'm going to go and use PayPal for now. Then all you need to do is go and enter your PayPal email. I'm going to go and enter here, and then it's going to take a minute to load, and there we go. Then go and check out our tipping page. So well, click here and it will take a minute to load. You can go and customize if you like. You can customize here and you can go and change it however you like, and then just copy it, right click on it and click copy link address, and then come back to Twitch. Here we are, and all we want to do is go and click on customize channel. Then it's going to take us to our dashboard, and let's go and add a link down here. So under social link, just name this donation, and then we can go and paste the link in here and go and click on add just like so. And then in our bio as well, I will type something like and click on save changes, and we've added the social link as well. So now if we come back to our channel, go and refresh it. So if I go and refresh this just here, it's going to take a minute to load, and here we go. We've got our link, our bio and all these things. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up donation on Twitch. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.